welcome back to the Black Solid Color tutorial series. In the previous tutorial, we already shared how to create some effects. If you haven't watched that tutorial yet, you can click on the top right corner to jump and learn. Now, in today's tutorial, we will continue learning how to create more creative effects. Let's get started. First, launch VideoProc Flagger and open a project we saved previously. We're gonna follow what we already learned to make the transition and move improvements based on that. Click on the motion icon. Let's create a slide in effect for the black solid color image. Unlike the transition effect we discussed in the previous tutorial, we won't let the selection box of the second keyframe exit the screen. Instead, we'll keep it in place. After that, return to the main interface. Press Ctrl and C to copy it, and press Ctrl and V to paste it afterwards. In the Motion Editor panel, click the Reset button to restore it. Then, let's create a Slide Out effect. Move the playhead to the middle and click Add Keyframe. Adjust the selection box to make it cover the entire screen. Then we add a keyframe at the ending point. Move its selection box outside of the frame. This is how we can get this effect quickly. Next, open the Titles panel in the top left corner. Drag a title preset onto the subtitle track. Adjust its timing to align with the markers. Then, in the inspector, edit the text content and select our preferred font. Adjust the text size and position. Click the Edit Text button. This can bring us to a new panel where we can apply more advanced editing. For example, open the Animation panel and select a left roll animation effect to match the motion effects created for the black solid image. We can scroll down on the right to find the Animation Time section. Here, we can adjust the duration. Once done, click Apply to return to the main interface. Now find the plus icon on the left of the subtitle track. Click it to add a new track. Then copy this text clip and paste it onto the new track. Adjust the starting time to make it appear later than the previous text. Next, click the Edit Text button. Select a different style from the Style menu on the left. Change the animation type to Fade In. Click Apply to apply the adjustments. The black solid image is sliding out. Thus, we want to add a similar animation effect to the text as well. To do so, click on Edit Text and change the animation style to Left Out. Go back to the timeline track. Copy this text. Edit its duration and customize a different color. Changing its animation to Fade Out, which completes all editing steps. Let's see the effect. Drag the rest of videos onto the video track one by one. Adjust their durations. Then open the Transitions panel in the top left corner. Drag a preset we like into where between these two clips and adjust its duration. This will create a smooth transition between the clips. Now, adjust the position and the size of this clip. Click the eye icon to open the guides. Drag a black solid image onto the overlay track. Adjust its position and size to fit within this section. Next, copy it and paste it onto the next track. Enlarge it. Let's go on, copy and paste it onto the next track until the black solid color image covers the entire screen. Once done, click the eye icon above the preview window to hide the guides. Finally, like what we already did, crop this clip. We can crop horizontally or vertically to make it look better. That's all. Let's check the outcome. Alright, this is all for today's tutorial. If you have more creative effects you'd like to see, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next tips. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!